Hey guys, it's me, Fluffypuff. I am playing Animal Jam with my membership, and I just want to say that I am making a hotel for any jammer, but there's gonna be like a space thing because my den's like really big, the biggest it can get. Let me just show you. I've got Peak's Den. It's only 7 diamonds. It's humongous. Like literally, this is a lot. Also, I'm gonna do like a give out. I'm gonna call it Flufflepuffs. The Flufflepuff winner. Or Fluffies. For the Fluffies, they win masterpieces. And other cool den items. And wearable items like, give it a minute to load. Like, you could win this rare glove. Or this hula skirt. These horns. Pilgrim. Fancy top hat. Just remember, these, except for the glove, are all items that. But enough chit chat. I am going to be decorating my den with you guys as soon as I can figure out which place is which. You know, I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, I've also got another, like, you can win pictures like this. I can't see it right now because Animal Jam is reviewing it. But it's like a Five Nights at Freddy's thing. Really cool looking and stuff. So this is where everybody's gonna stay. It's not complete yet, so I'm thinking of moving that maybe. Or maybe it's turning it. Just remember, if you want more of these videos in the future, please comment and like. If we get over 2 likes, then I will make another one of these for a Let's Play series. So comment down why you would like to join the hotel and your username, and I will give you a gift. If you're not, I'll check if you're non-member and make it fair, so I'll give you something non-member that's really cool. Okay, guys, see you later. Bye.